As programmers, we focus on mastering code and technical skills, but soft skills are just as important. Let's dive into why communication, teamwork, and leadership are crucial for developers. 1. Communication. More than just code. Programming isn't a solo activity. Clear communication is key, whether you're sharing ideas with teammates or explaining technical concepts to non-technical colleagues. Without it, even great code can go unnoticed. Developers need to explain their work clearly, give feedback, and collaborate across teams. 2. Teamwork. Building together. Great products come from collaboration. Working with designers, managers, and other developers requires good teamwork. It's about more than dividing tasks. It's solving problems together and being open to different perspectives to create the best solutions. 3. Leadership. Guiding others. Leadership in programming isn't just for managers. You can lead by helping junior developers, sharing knowledge, and driving projects forward. Leadership is about taking initiative and inspiring others to grow. Final thought. Technical skills are important, but soft skills help you thrive. Communication, teamwork, and leadership are essential for career success.